जैसे हमारे पूर्वज डॉक्टर हरि सिंह गौर ने सागर विश्वविद्यालय की स्थापना की और एक पूरे देश में आयाम बनाया, उसी उद्देश्य को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं टेक्निकल एजुकेशन में तो स्थापित किया है। मगर मुझे पूर्णतः संतुष्टि जब ही मिलेगी जब हमारे इस बुंदेलखंड के विद्यार्थी देश में विदेशों में जाके बुंदेलखंड का परचम लहराएंगे, तभी वास्तविक संतुष्टि।
BTIRT is not just a college, but it's a tradition.
Every classroom here is a digital class.
We use smart laboratory for laboratory functions.
We make engineering look very interesting,
which allows the student to explore the depth of knowledge.
Here students learn how to bridge the gap between industry and institution.
It is constant learning with fun.
You can say BTIT is like a giant tree where teachers are like branches and students are like fruits.
We do not just teach them, but we always try to generate an attitude to be someone unique.
We work on every single student, whether he is weak or strong.
We provide classes on
Interview sessions,
GD sessions,
special sessions,
and soft skills.
Teachers are extremely approachable and happy.
The student and teacher relationship is very cooperative.
We can clear as many doubts as we can.
Teaching here is mind-blowing.
Earlier I thought that CS is my weakness, but now it's my strength thanks to the teachers of PTR.
magnificent machines are available, latest machines which are not even available in most of the institutions of Madhya Pradesh.
In other colleges, less importance is given to the practicals. And here what I have done, I have given the emphasis on the practicals as well as the industrial visit also.
High-tech and most updated machinery in the mechanical workshop.
The time you get up in the morning till you sleep in the night is everything to do with CS, that is computers. Even your mobile, your paper, your recipes in the cooking, your children's studies, downloading the papers, in your office work, your transportation, your mode of communication, everything is related to CS. We give the students whatever they need, whatever they want, whatever they are capable of doing. We don't pressurize the students into doing something extraordinary. We just guide them in the following right path so that they learn what they have actually done and they'll hone their skills so that they will be a better person when they go out of this college.
Actually, CS, designing of software in CS, I think that I'll be able to design a small software or I'll be able to work in a multinational company.
The labs here are very high, updated and high-tech.
The teachers had added their explanation. The CS subjects became my favorite.
Today's railway electronics communication branch and the computer science engineering branch having a tremendous role play to establish a transformation of the society. The computer science and electronics branch, the numerous companies are coming on daily basis, like regular basis, on timely basis, as and when required, and the students are getting placed. So we have a robotic lab, we have a cloud lab in our hand, and they are working well. Students are preparing tremendous projects.
When I joined this college, I thought EC would be a boring branch, but after getting it, I am proud of it.
I just admire the equipments, their functioning.
Labs of EC are awesome.
The EC faculties, everyone are very cooperating. They are very helpful.
My EC lab is most updated and it has more machineries.
In the world of infrastructure and construction, participation of skilled engineers are growing day by day. Students here learning the best methods, innovative ways in BTIT fully equipped workshop. In the world of infrastructure and construction, participation of our skilled civil engineers are growing day by day. Students learning here the best methods, innovative way of BTIRT fully equipped workshop. Nowadays, civil engineering is one of the best chance for the new coming engineers for bright futures.
Idea here is not just to teach business administration,
but to create the future entrepreneurs.
MBA students are glorifying the BTIRT name in top MNCs of this country.
As far as the training and placement department is concerned, I can say
The number of companies this year we crossed the count above 28 companies.
The placement scenario in BTIT is now
growing very high in reputed companies, MNCs.
ICER, Infosys, Hunka Technologies, many tractors companies, they visited this year in this college.
Very high rate of placement motivates us.
We are positive about the bright future in BTIIT.
College provides us the best career platform.
Companies like Infosys, TCS regularly visit us.
Healthy mind stays in a healthy body, and we never ignore the importance of sports. Nodal sports competitions, sports activities happens at regular activities. We have the facilities of indoor and outdoor sports, and who knows, we might produce the sports celebrity somewhere.
We really enjoy playing sports in this beautiful campus.
Badminton and football is my favorite. Being a girl, I really enjoyed to play sports in this beautiful campus.
And our favorite game snooker is here.
We have the giant library.
Brilliant collection of books inside.
Every study material is available here.
Say any book name you will find in our library.
My most favorite place in campus is library.
I love the infrastructure of my college. One of the best infrastructure. I enjoy this campus.
It is designed beautifully.
It's like a film set.
Hostel in this campus, just a name.
It's like home away from home.
Healthy environment,
Peaceful campus.
good facilities in the hostel.
I can really focus on my studies.
Can't feel homesick here. Food is yummy and delicious.
I love the food.
Especially kofte, chole.
Sunday special is my favorite.
My hostel life is rocky.
World of innovation.
The hub of skilled engineers.
Charismatic temple of knowledge.
Theater of skilled professionals.
River of creation.
Future maker.
World of innovation.
Name of enthusiasm.
Artistic.